Okay, in this video, I will share to all of you about how to use Fredo scale to twice rotate about the building. Okay, first of all, we have to prepare this box. This is for the floor building, and then we have to duplicate it to the upper position with using move, press control, and then we can place maybe around 4 meter approximately or 4.5. Okay, this one, and then we can duplicate it. We can duplicate it for any size or any floor if as we want anyway. Okay, maybe it's just small high rise, and then we can make a building envelopes with rectangle. We can start draw from the corner to the corner, then we can offset it outside. Okay, then we can erase for unnecessary plane, then we can push it down first. Okay, we can push it down first approximately just like this. Okay, okay, then we can make group, and then we can draw the glass material for the building envelopes, and then we can duplicate it to the another position by click all over the building, and we can move here, and then okay, then we can rotate it with the Fredo scale plugin. We can select it all, then we can select the Fredo scale box twice thing, then we can click this one, and then we can select a tab for input the number of slice. This is affected about the smoothness. It affect about the smoothness of twisting your object. I set the value, it's 50, and then okay, and then we can click for the another orientation. Okay, then we can rotate it as we want. Maybe I will rotate it just like this, and then we can see about the result. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and we can also adjust for the um, material. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next video. Thank you.